only issue in our bodies that our bodies are not going to fix, folks. The only issue is when the issue has gotten so bad, the DNA are dying, the genes are dormant or dead, because that's what create the proteins that support the organs. And then the organs start to fail, whether it's the prostate for men or for women. It could be the breast gland developing all these issues. It could be the uterus, the ovary. That's why these organs fade away and die. That's why we get liver failure, heart failure. That's why we get kidney failure. That's why all these organs fail. That's why the lung fail after a while with lung cancer, because the genes and DNA are dying or dead. And those organs can no longer support themselves. What you must do is make sure you never get to that stage, because when those genes are dead, when those DNA are dead or so damaged, they can't be repaired. They can't come back. There's nothing to bring them back. The body's too weak to bring them back. That's when our bodies die. That's when the organs die. That's when our bodies die. No one lives forever. But you can live for as long as you really want to if you support your body the right way. And that's my advice to all of you. If you see abnormalities in your lab report, don't ignore it. Something is wrong. Your body's telling you something is wrong. React to it. Be paranoid about what you see in your labs that are abnormal and find help. Don't do, as I would say, a double negative. Don't do nothing. Don't ignore it.